Two workers earn the exact same modest salary in Tokyo. 30 years later, one retires wealthy. The other has nothing. Why? The difference was not a raise, a stock tip, or luck. It was a small notebook and a habit over 100 years old. It is called Kakeibo. In Japanese, it means household financial ledger, and it quietly makes ordinary earners rich. It was created in 1904 by Hani Motoko, Japan's first female journalist, to give women financial freedom when they could own almost nothing. Kakeibo has one strange rule: no apps, no spreadsheets. You write every single expense down by hand, with a pen. This feels slow. That is the point. Writing forces your brain to pause, and a pause is where most impulse spending dies. Before the month begins, Kakeibo asks 4 questions. How much money is coming in? How much do you want to save? How much are you actually spending? And how can you improve? 4 questions most people never dare to answer honestly. Every expense falls into 4 buckets. Needs, the things you cannot live without. Wants, the things you simply chose. Culture, like books and learning, and the unexpected, the emergencies that always come. Suddenly, your money has a map. The real secret is the order. Before you spend a single yen, you pay yourself first and hide that saving away. Then, once a week, you sit with your notebook and reflect, not with guilt, with curiosity. Where did the money truly go? Slowly, something shifts. You stop chasing more and start noticing what is already enough. This is quiet wealth. Not a bigger salary, not a flashier life, just money that stays and grows in silence. You do not need to earn like the rich to think like them. You just need a notebook, a pen, and the courage to look.